Drink to shrink. Lose 5 pounds in 5 days. That's the topic of discussion today. My name is Jason Carter. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, feel free to hit subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so you can be notified when I drop more videos like this one right here. So Drink2shrink.co, that's my website. You can visit my website by clicking the link in the description. It'll take you to this exact same page that I'm viewing right now. So reason why you're on this video is because you wanted to learn more about Drink to Shrink and see if it's a fit for you. Well, it was a fit for me. I've lost weight. I was 225 pounds. I'm currently at 201 right now. And I simply love the Drink to Shrink product. I've dropped videos in the past that talked about the recipe or the ingredients, if you will, that's inside of the Drink to Shrink formula. You can view that on my website by clicking on meal plan and recipes. You can give this to your doctor and allow them to gauge and use their expertise to let you know if this is something that you can consume or not. So if you have pre-existing medical conditions that you are afraid to consume something because you don't know if it will affect your medications or anything like that, here you go. You can just download this and give it to your doctor and allow them to tell you if you can consume it or not. So let's go back to the home page now that we got the legality stuff out the way. We're having a sale for the month of November on our Drink to Shrink formula, lose 5 pounds, 5 days. Our 1 week supply, which is non-pre-made. Don't worry. We send instructions on how to prepare it. It comes with the instructions. It comes with the Drink to Shrink formula. It's already prepared. All you got to do is go through the steps to create it and the flavors. Now, if you want pre-made, you can just contact me by clicking contact and let me know that you want it pre-made. But you will have to cover the shipping, and I'll quote you a price on the shipping along with the price of the gallon. All right, so for the month of November, this is our sale. Drink to Shrink 2 week supply of Fat Blaster drops is $99. We got the buy 3 for $55. We have here our 4 week supply that comes with my favorite, which is the Fat Blaster drops and the energy drops. So this package right here is for the serious person that's looking to lose some weight in an extreme way. I'm talking about cat quick, right? So you can come through here and you can read all about it, see what's included. We got the meal plan, exercise plan. We email you that digitally. And you can come down here, you can view a video about the Fat Blaster kit. You can see why it's so important for you to have this. If you're someone that needs to lose 30 pounds or more, this is for you. You can come down here and read the ingredients that's in it. Come through and check out the Drink to Shrink Fat Blaster drops, all that stuff. And you got the legality stuff at the bottom. All right. So that's a plan that I love because it includes everything, all the products. So we got November special again for the Drink to Shrink product. We got the Drink to Shrink Fat Blaster drops. Normal price is $85. You get it for $55. I just started doing the pre-made on the go bottles. This is perfect for that person that's always on the go and you still want to consume the Drink to Shrink product while you're out and about and not have to carry that big gallon around, right? So this is $50. It comes pre-made, and check that out real quick. So it's a 7-day, 1 week supply of our Drink to Shrink formula. It's pre-made, and you can pick up the 3 flavors. And when it arrives to you, it'll arrive looking just like that, real pretty, and ready for you to drink. The lid to be on. It's a tamper-proof lid, so once I slap it on, it's just on, and when you twist it, it'll break the seal. So it'll have a seal on it. Real safe for your consumption. And I wear gloves while I'm putting everything together. Okay, so now we got that one, and we got the 14-day supply here. Drink to Shrink 14-day, 16-ounce, pre-made on the go bottles. The 14-day supply is $90. And I believe the same thing applies with this one right here. It's a 14-day, 2 week supply. You get 3 flavors. You can pick 3 flavors, and I just mix it up for you. And I wear gloves. So you got the tamper-proof lid on it. So once I clamp it down, it's sealed, and when you twist it, it breaks the seal. So I take care of you. So any questions that you may have about purchasing from my website, you can always visit the frequently asked questions. We have that. You can always hit the contact us, and you can contact me. So just let me know whatever questions that may pop up, and I'm here to assist you. Now, once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be notified when I drop more videos. And the only way to truly be notified is to click the bell for notifications. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this overview of my Drink2shrink website, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the beaches of the world looking your best ever. Peace and blessings.